Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this double Dutch braided bun hairstyle. To start, I'm leaving a bit of hair out on both sides to frame the face, and I'm going to split the hair from ear to ear, going up into an upside down V shape. Then just secure that bottom section into a ponytail. Then release that top section down, and I'm going to take a pintail comb and I'm going to draw a zigzag part all the way down the back of the head. This doesn't have to be perfect. Clip that left hand section out of the way, and starting on that right hand side we're going to do a Dutch braid. So take a chunk of hair from the front of the head, and then we're just going to split this into 3 equal sections, a top, a middle and a bottom. So we're going to first of all cross the top strand under the middle strand, and then the bottom strand under the middle. Now cross that top strand under the middle and add a chunk of hair from the top of the head all the way from the parting. Then cross that bottom strand under the middle, and we're going to add hair right close to the braid. So I'll show you one more time on the top. Cross the left strand or the top strand under the middle and add a chunk of hair from the part line. Then cross that bottom strand under the middle and add a chunk of hair as close to the braid as you can get it. Cross the top strand under the middle, add your chunk of hair from the part line, and then cross that bottom strand under the middle strand, again adding a little bit of hair as close to the braid as you can get it. So this way you will incorporate all the hair from that part line, but you will have an inch or two of hair hanging down on the right hand side. And just carry on braiding until you run out of hair and finish it off just a few inches doing a regular braid. Next, add some dry texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then using your fingers, just grab the very edge of each one of those sections of braid and gently pull it out. This will make the braid nice and voluminous, and you can make this as big or as small as you like. And then when you're done, just tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then we're going to do the same Dutch braid on the opposite side of the head. Once you've got everything braided, add your texture spray and really pinch and pull that braid apart. Don't forget to secure it with an elastic band. Now we're just going to simply cross the braids over one another, and then we're going to wrap the ends underneath the ponytail and secure everything together with another elastic band. Now for the hair hanging down, on the right hand side we're just going to grab a section and twist it a couple of times away from the face or towards the braid, then incorporate all of the hair as you twist it, as you work along that twist. Then just slip a few bobby pins through the centre of the twist to secure it, and then one last one on the opposite side securing it to the ponytail. Then just repeat the same on the opposite side of the head. Now for the bun, I'm simply going to split the ponytail in half, and then I'm going to loosely wrap the sections around one another to create a nice loose twist, securing at the end with another clear elastic band. And all I'm going to do is take that twist and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, and then just tuck the ends underneath. Hold to the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside of that bun using as many bobby pins as needed. I find closed bobby pins hold the hair much better. Finish off by curling the hair at the front away from the face. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.